We got an ice storm yesterday and woke up this morning to snow. We had some freezing rain. So when you walk, you can feel like crunchy underneath the snow. Like crunching is like you're breaking ice underneath the snow. But we had some freezing rain yesterday and now it's snowing. You can see those lahores, the yellow one laying down, it's taking a snow bath. Birds are really tough. They don't mind extreme temperatures as long as you give them some water to drink. They're fine. Snow is still coming down. If you pay attention to this bird, it's a young bird that I raised last year. Try to get some more close up on that bird. I think my last video, I kind of pointed at the bird, but I didn't speak anything in my last video. So try to get a. It's a blue check. Looks like a hen. The dirty gene in it. And let's see if the bird will come around. You can see on the chest area there is some. We can move the bird around. There you go. Gives him some underneath the belly, as well as the chest. There's some black patches. So I never had a bird like that. If you look at my last video, kind of, I don't know if you guys can see this from this angle. See that? It's an unusual thing. Might all change after molt, but something unusual. From this angle, you guys can, I hope you can see it right now. Look at that. It's a late hatch from last year, finishing the molt. Color might change, but I never had a bird with those black patches. Anyhow, enough of this. Look, I break the ice in these things as well as the water inside the loft and put some water. I do this in the morning and evening. They just need some good sips of water, and this should be okay. Let's go to the next loft. Grizzly homers and a fly pen over there in my kid box. They're eating the snow. Birds enjoy eating the snow. Go to the next loft and see what's happening over there. Look at these grizzly homers. They're beautiful. It's going to snow all day today. Everybody like eating the snow. Look at that guy. Coming there to take a sip of water. He gets his water. Yeah, that's enough for today. My hands are freezing. Hope you guys stay warm. The snow, birds are doing their thing. There's a blue full stencil cockbird over there. He's made it to that crested Homer hen over there. Here's an indigo. An indigo roller. Ball head indigo. She needs some water. She got a sip of water. Come back and drink a little bit more. So that is the dumb thing that birds do, which I hate. And that is the reason how these things get moved away. Birds like to sit on the top and push it away. Some Stipper Mookie cockbirds. There's a classic almond Mookie cockbird over there. So just to get an idea, that's a classic almond, and you got a Stipper over here. So this bird is lacking recessive red and bronze. So that's the reason why it's a Stipper, and the other one is a classic almond. This bird is a less than a year old young bird, but it should look nice after a while too. I do like the Stippers. I have some Stipper Homer cockbirds too. Some of the nice crested Homer hen over there, silent Homer. This guy taking a sip over there, the classic Homer Mookie cockbird. Full stencil, nice young hen over here, black full stencil Homer hen. Look at that guy, spreading his wings. The sign of a healthy bird when they spread their wings and balls around like that. Usually cockbirds do that. Ashford roller cockbird. Look at that cartoon Bandu. Some of the Stipper Mookie cockbird. He's split for brown too. A really nice bird. Okay, that's enough for today. Guys, stay warm. Take care. Bye.